Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 1994 Dodge Ram 3500, stock number CP15819. This one is black in color. We do have some sun fading here on top of the fender. Being a 94, anything that's plastic is probably going to be sun faded or gray. Just a common thing that happens. Chrome grille, got a little crack right there. Corner lens is busted out. Come around the side here. Got decent tires. I'd say they're about 80%. On a 16-inch wheel. Big old rust hole. I love that Ohio weather. Believe it or not, I believe this was a one-owner vehicle. 3500 turbo Cummins. Got the little bit of rust here on the cab corners too. Underneath on the rockers. And sun fading everywhere. Power windows and locks. This is a manual vehicle. Got the tape deck. You want to get you a Walkman and plug it in there. Make you a nice CD player. Center console. Cruise control. Got the brake here. I should probably put that sticker back on the window. Sticker fell off. This is a dually with a no windowed camper top. So the bed's a little tore up right here. Really take a look at this bumper. Get in there. Oh yeah, we can get in there. Real nice. Got some like a steel tape. All right, I'm gonna hold that up with my head. Looks like you got your fifth wheel rails in there. Echo's real nice. If you're in need of an echo chamber. Oh my goodness. Shut it wrong. Got the three little lights here. Mud flaps. Aluminum running boards. A little bit of rust here on the cab corner on this side. Rockers are pretty much ate up all the way around. Fenders are shot. Make somebody a good work truck for sure. Again, this is a 1994 Dodge Ram 3500, stock number CP15819T. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, sherrychrysler.com.